Second quarter about to begin between JILCF Red Arc versus RCG Saints. And we have JILCF ahead. CF Red Arc after that three by Gazingan. Three-pointer on the way. Too strong. Rebound by Ortiz. Kick out. Another three. And JILCF converts. And Ronnie Del with a three. De Guzman. TF Red Arc. Resurrection at left. Guarded by Angeles. Ortiz on top. Handoff. Ronidel. Another try from the outside. And he connects. Another three from Sean Ronidel. And JILCF Red Arc extending this lead to 7 points. Angeles. Kick out. This is a long three from the logo. A near steal. As Sean Ronidel returns for JILCF Red Arc. Ronidel had 2 threes in the first half. To the left corner, De Guzman, baseline drive, drop pass. Lakaya with the miss. First foul on Penaga. Duarte the inbounder. Luena at left. Finds Ortiz on top. Handoff. Ronidel, another three. And that's his third three of the game for Sean Marion Ronidel. That trims the gap to 3. Under 8 minutes remaining in the third. Pena. Welcome back to the NBL Youth 21 under. And this is the contest between RCG Saints and JILCF Red Arc. JILCF Red Arc with crossing to Luena. Shot clock at 13. Ronidel, lob inside. Tap to Duarte. And that's a turnover. Fire in this quarter. They go again to Gazingan. Another long three. This time it's too strong. And now Ronidel converts.
Sean Ronidel.
.11 game. Angeles inside to Cruz. Gazingan inside to a 2-point lead. Ronidel from the corner. And we are tied at 5.
Ronidel hands it off to Resurrection. Resurrection back to Ronidel. Ronidel for the 3-point shot. Boom. 1:06 remaining. It's now at 19-17. Ortiz. 3-point shot. For Ronidel. That would be very helpful for Taguig. Or for JILCF Red Arc. Ronidel. And there's a foul called. That foul is on Tapia.
Number 0, Renzo Tapia, is first for defense. 3 free throws for Sean Ronidel.
And Ronidel